are going to be discuss the topic single phase transformer. First of all, we will see the definition. Transformer is a static device which transfers the power from one circuit to another circuit without change in frequency, usually with the change values of voltages and currents. So it is a stationary or a static device, so which is going to be transfer the energy from one circuit to another circuit, provided that the frequency should not change, only the voltages and the currents are going to be change over there. Then transformer is a AC device used to change the high voltage low current AC into a low voltage high current AC and vice versa without changing the frequency. So in brief, it transfers the electric power from one circuit to another circuit. It doesn't so without a change of frequency. It accomplishes this by electromagnetic induction phenomena, where the two electric circuits are in mutual inductive influence of each other. So the two circuits, they are mutually coupled with each other and there is no electric connection between them. So the principle of operation of your transformer is, it is based on the principle of mutual induction, according to which an EMF is induced in a coil when current in the neighboring coil changes. So an example is shown here. So two coils are shown. So one is called as a primary coil because it is connected to the source having 1,000 turns, and the other is called as a secondary coil. So it is having 100 number of turns and a voltmeter is connected across the secondary coil. So when you connect a source to the primary coil, so in that case a current is going to be circulate through that coil, and with that a flux is going to be produced by the primary coil, which is going to be linked with the secondary coil. So whatever the flux linking with the secondary coil, because of that EMF is going to be induced in the secondary coil as per the mutual induction phenomena, and we get the deflection on the voltmeter regarding the EMF induced in the coil. Then next is the what are the parts of a transformer. A transformer consists of three basic components: primary coil or a primary winding. So it is an electrical wire wrapped around the core on the input side. Then secondary coil or a secondary winding, it is an electrical wire wrapped around the core on the output side. And the third part is core, a ferromagnetic material that can conduct a magnetic field through it. So example is iron or a silicon steel, or a material such as CRGO is used, that is cold rolled grain oriented is the material used for the formation of a transformer core. Then this is the structure of your transformer. It having a core and the two windings. One will be called as a primary winding, which is connected to the source. Another is called as a secondary winding, which is connected to the load, and the flux is shown over there, which is going to be produced when you pass a current through the primary coil, and that is circulating through the core and it is linking with the secondary coil, and due to that a EMF is induced in the secondary coil. So here the operation of the transformer, that is same we have discussed. So it is an electrical transformer normally consists of ferromagnetic core and two coils called as windings. A transformer uses the principle of mutual inductance to create an AC voltage in the secondary coil from the alternating electric current flowing through the primary coil. The voltage induced in the secondary can be used to drive a load. Then we'll discuss what are the types of transformers. So there are two main types of transformer basis on the basis of a construction. So one is called as a core type transformer, other is called as a shell type transformer. So these two differ by the manner the windings wound around the magnetic core. So in order to reduce the eddy current losses, the core of a transformer, it is laminated instead of solid core, and in order to reduce the core losses, the cores are manufactured from the cold rolled grain oriented sheet steel that we have discussed earlier. So these are the two types of transformers. So in the core type transformer, there is a single window and there are two side limbs, and the primary and the secondary coil, they are wound on the two side limbs of the core. And in case of shell type transformer, there are two windows and three legs over there, two side legs and one central leg. So both primary coil and the secondary coil, they are wound on the central leg over there, and the two side limbs, they are acting as a protection or a shell to the winding. So the transformer is called as a shell type transformer. So this is all for today. Thank you.